Hey guys, welcome to the first Business Entrepreneurs YouTube video. I'm Ian. I'm the co-president here at Business Entrepreneurs, also known as the COO, Chief Operations Officer. Today I'm going to show you guys how to log into the stock market game and start your first trade. Since today we have provided you guys with your logins, and if you have not gotten your login yet, please reach out to us on Remind or Instagram at HHS Business Entrepreneurs so we can help you. So to get started, you'll go to the stockmarketgame.org, which is right here, and you'll hit login. So you'll type in your username provided on the paper you were handed. So once you type in your login and password, which remember the password is capital sensitive, you'll hit login. So here you see the basic spot you'll land on. So here you see our club advisor's name is Mr. Tender, and we're part of Heritage High School. And here is our team name. So here you'll see how much you have in stocks, mutual funds, which today we talked about basically like what a stock is. And then we did talk very briefly about mutual funds, which I will create another video talking very in deep about these. And bonds are something you should not worry about right now. And here, cash balance, you have over $100,000 in fake money to play with. So that's what it means by equity. So all you have to care about right now is how much equity you have. And then down here, you'll see how everything is. I'll create a deeper breakdown about this whole system. So to execute your first trade, you'll go to the trade icon, and you'll hit enter a trade. And let's say I wanted to buy some Tesla stock. So you hit stock trade, and you'll hit buy. You'll type in Tesla. So I'm back now. I found out the sticker symbol or ticker symbol for Tesla, which is right here, TSLA. So you'll type in here, you might want to hit validate so you can make sure you're buying the right one. Here you see all of this information, which we will break down at a later time. Like right now, you honestly don't need to care about this, just buy the stocks you want to buy. So buy Tesla, we'll hit market order, which means they just buy it, and it's say, I only wanted one share. And we'll hit preview trade. And it turns out we actually need a minimum transaction of 10 shares. I did not know that. So that means you must buy 10 shares minimum here. So you hit preview trade and you'll see all of this. So you'll see actions buy Tesla. We're buying Tesla. Here's the company name. Here's the number of shares. It last closed today at $1,033, but it's known to the simulator as about $1,013. And here is how much we have before and after this transaction. And you'll have to re-type in your password to execute the trade. So I'll hit confirm. And here we go. Our order is in. So let's say you wanted to cancel this transaction. So to cancel this transaction, you have to type in your password again. I have diagnosed my problem. I'm not allowed to cancel this order until the market opens tomorrow, which is the day of our meeting. So unfortunately, I cannot show you guys in this video how to cancel, but I will make a more in-depth video about this game. So we hope that you guys can learn a bunch from using this amazing game. And please reach out to any officer on Remind, me or Neil, if you have any questions, or DM us on Instagram at HHS Business Entrepreneurs. Please be sure to spread the word to your friends because we can add a few more people to this game. And make sure you subscribe and like this video. This is our new place where we will post in-depth lessons since we cannot do stack weight of lessons at lunch. So I hope you guys have a good day, and I can't wait to see you guys at the next meeting.